What's up, guys? Good morning. Welcome back to the Scott Bourne Show. And today we are at the Hamptons Inn Hotel in Arkansas. Yeah, I am in Arkansas doing a job out here at Tyson Food. Pretty fun, but what's interesting is my neck is getting out of control. And from last video, I heard the comments and it has been outly spoken that we are going for the handlebar mustache. And I thought the cool part about this, because I was gonna go for the straight military style, but I wanna bring back the handlebar because I wanna just have a nice, this is nice tapered bar that goes out. I don't wanna have too much of a drastic bar. I just kind of want to have something very small and kept nice. So we're on our way there, and next video we will announce the winners. I'll send out all the stuff, so just please bear with me. Jobs and travel have been horrendous, so just give me a little bit and I promise we'll do a giveaway. I'll send you guys out a bunch of stuff. I'll show you all my inventory. We'll do it all. So just wanted to do a fun little vlog for you guys today. So it's gonna be a little bit of a long video, but that way you guys can just sit back, relax, because I haven't been posting that much. This is gonna be hotel hygiene and vlog, and what I need to do is I need to clean up my neck, my cheek line, and unfortunately I didn't bring my clippers, my razor, or anything. I didn't think I was gonna be out here this long, and I'm already gonna be out here for a week and a half. Longer than I thought it was gonna be, so I needed some things and I didn't want to spend too much money on things because I already have everything. That being said, it was really nice at the Hampton. They, and it's not the big nice Hampton, it's just one of the smaller ones, but in their lobby, if you forget anything, they've got accommodations. So I got a cheap razor and I got some cheap shaving cream, and it was free, so it was nice. You know, you forget something, they have it there. So I thought it'd be fun. I haven't shaved my neck or face with a razor, a multi-blade razor, in like 5 years, 10 years. And what's funny is, because I did a video about that, why I do not prefer them, because they do go under the skin, which is nice, but for me it creates pimples and ingrown hairs. So enough blabbering, let's get this vlog started. I'm gonna shave it up, clean it up, and then we'll go out and venture off into the no man's land of Arkansas, Arkansas. All right, here we go. Okay, the multi-blade was okay, but the one thing I hate about them, the line, you know, it's just uneven, and that's why I like the straight razor, because when you come up here on the under chin, the neck, and I know they make now razors that got the little clips on it, but for some reason the straight razor for me just does it all, you know, because at the end of the day you're gonna have to go from the multi-blade to the single blade to edge off everything. So they've been using that single blade since the dawn of time to, you know, shave the beard and mustache, but the multi-blade definitely gets under the skin and super smooth. But once again, it's repetition after months, you know, then the skin gets adjusted. And it's the same with the straight razor, and it's the same with the electric razor. You have to use it for a while for your skin to adjust to it. So I know I'm definitely gonna get a little bit of breakup maybe under here on my cheek, but other than that, I mean, it was a good experience. But you know, I do know, you know, practice makes perfect, but the lines could be a little better. But other than that, let's go get some laundry done, and let's get it started. Now, being on vacation this long, I have to do laundry, and this is the first time I've had to do laundry on a trip, so I had to put all my clothes in one freaking laundry bag. All right, let's start the quarter. And of course, the best part is, I'm in my towel. I got no extra clothes. I got like a pair of chonies and a shirt I'm gonna wear for like the next hour. All right, let's see if I do this right, you guys. I gotta take the, hold on. Extra large load. I feel like I'm at an arcade. All right. We want options, normal, extra rinse. Oh, of course, 25 extra cents. Let's go. All right, 30 minutes. Let's go.
is 303.
All right.
WLA 303 on Instagram.
Oh, damn, that's what's up. All right, all right.
All right, we're calling it a day. I will see you guys on the flip side. See ya.
You done?
Oh, I'm done.